it's Miss Alana here, getting smarter and smarter every day, working on math just like you. In this video is today's episode of Ultimate Extreme Expressions, number 2. All right, so it is Monday, September the 18th. I went ahead. I'm just going to split up the videos. That way, if you don't need certain ones, you don't need to watch all the videos unless you just want to watch all the videos to check your work. You can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just split them up to the different problems. All right, so this is number 2. This should be glued in your notebook. All right, so glue that. If you don't have glue at home, you can borrow my glue tomorrow. All right, number 2, it says, what does it say? Parentheses 37 plus 19, close parentheses, divided by 4. All right, what do we do first? Well, first you need to have your notebook with you, which you should already have that. And what's the first operation we need to do? Right there. I'm just going to show you my answer. But remember, like I told you before, don't just copy my answers because that's called what? That's called cheating. And when you cheat, who are you really cheating? You're only cheating yourself, okay? You might think like, oh, I'm going to just get it done and write it down. But guess what? That's not helping your mind. That's not making you smarter and smarter every day. That's just making your hand work, but your mind's not working. All right, so the whole point is to learn. So the first thing we need to do is what? What's in the parentheses, so 37 plus 19, which is 56. Now, again, you need to show your work right here on the right column. 37 plus 19, we add the ones place. 7 plus 9, 16, write the 6 plus the 1. And then 1, 3, and 1 is 5. So there I have 56. Bring that division sign down and a 4. I hope that's not confusing to you all and looks like a plus sign. It's a division sign. So do that, and then 56 divided by 4. Now, again, you have to show your work because some of these you can't do mentally, but if you show that you did it mentally, you're going to have to prove it. Prove it to me in class, all right? So 56 divided by 4. How do we do that? 4 is at the door, and it's knocking like, hey, 5. How many times can 4 go into 5? 1 time, where does the 1 go? On the roof. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then where does the 6 go? Bam, down to the basement. And how many times? Oh, sorry about shaking the table. 4 goes into 16 how many times? 4. So the 4 goes up top. Then you do 4 times 4 is 16. And we're done with that one. So, bam. Easy enough. 56 divided by 4 is 14. So if you have a highlighter, you can go ahead and highlight that answer. You know it's right because we did it together. Or you can use you can use your pencil. If you don't have a highlighter, you could just circle it. Now, if you want to check behind me because I didn't check my work with a calculator, go ahead and check the calculator. If I mess up, let me know in the comments below. All right, moving on to number 3. Check out the next video. Mwah. Love you all.